Hello. You're here with data science teacher Brandon, and we're starting our data analysis bootcamp, course one. This is going to be an intro into data analysis, and we're going to focus on the effect of sampling has in understanding the population. If we don't understand the population, it's very hard to get that much data to get access to all of the information that we need to do that. So we often, almost always take a sample to interpret the population. And we'll understand the effect that has, and something that we just need to be aware of as we're doing our data analysis, that we are dealing with a sample, and that will have some variation, some randomness baked into it, and we need to be conscious of that as we're going through our analysis. So let's get started, and we'll get into more details as we go. So starting off, why analyze? Why do we analyze? Right? I think it's really we see our little data analyst friend here, and there's a lot of information out there in the day. So really what we want to do is we want to provide, we're working for a business normally, or even just for ourselves, we want to provide useful insights. We want to give ourselves understanding. And really the idea is that we want to support in a work setting, we want to support our business partners in making decisions. There's so much information on the internet, so much, more and more every second. They don't need that much information. They need something that's going to help them make a simple decision or difficult decision, but information that's going to support that. Okay? I think one of the things as well when we're analyzing, we want to support the decision making, but after the decision making is done, we also want to evaluate that. Did we actually move in the direction we wanted to? How did our decision go? Right? It might seem like, well, but let's actually look into it. Let's analyze it and see if see if it worked out as well as we. And so really we have just our jobs as data analysts are that there's just a massive amount of information on there, and our little data analyst friend here, you can really think of this like the internet, right? There's so much information out there that his job is really to refine down that large amount of information into kind of bite-sized little insights that your business partners can use in their decision-making process. Really crystallizing it, refining it down into useful information.